So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the future value function in Google Sheets to create a future value calculator. And so the syntax for the futures value function is here. We are going to use the rate, the number of periods, the payment amount if we make payments, and the present value. Here, this is just saying whether or not the payments are going to be at the end of the period or at the beginning of the period. If they're going to be at the end of the period, we're going to use 0. If they're going to be at the beginning of the period, we would use 1, but we're not using the end or beginning periods. So by default, it would be set at 0. So let's get into creating this future value calculator. So here I have some assumptions. We're assuming we're going to invest $1,000 into, let's say, a index fund. We're going to put $1,000 in, and this index fund is promising us a rate of return of 8%. And we plan on holding that index fund for 20 years, and we're going to make $1,200 in payments into that fund every year. What would be our future value at the end of our holding period of 20 years? What I'm going to do is use the future values function. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to type in FV parentheses, and the syntax, we need the rate, which is here, 8%. I'm going to lock that in place, comma, the number of periods, which is here, 20. Lock that in place, F4, the payment amount, which is here, and then I'm going to lock that in place. And next, what I need is the present value, and that is here, the $1,000, our initial investment. I'm going to lock that in place, F4, close parentheses, and the future value would be, it's showing negative $59,575.31. It's showing negative because it's assuming this is like an outflow of cash. But if you don't want that to show up as negative, we just come to the beginning of after our equals sign, put a negative there. Or you can multiply the whole function by -1. So if we invest $1,000 into this index fund that promises us a 8% rate of return for 20 years, and we make $1,200 payments every year, we would end up with $59,575.31. Now that we have our function locked in place, we can play around with these numbers. Let's say we increase the rate of return to like 12%. It changes the future value. Maybe we do it hold on to this investment for 30 years, and we increase our payment from $1,200, let's double it to $2,400. And now you have a future values calculator that you can play around with to see how that investment changes as you play around with these different assumptions. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more tips like this.